Hi, my name is Val Visotzky, and I'm an Avalanche Technician with the Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure here in Revelstoke, British Columbia. Our ministry monitors avalanche conditions along the public roadways across the province, and there are over 1,400 individual avalanche paths that affect the public roads, and it's a huge job. To keep you safe, we have installed a variety of structures to either divert or stop snow avalanches from hitting the roadways in many places. A large part of our program is identifying hazardous conditions and then taking direct action using explosives to release snowslides while the highway is temporarily closed. All avalanche areas affecting highways in BC are identified with signs indicating entry and exit points. It's important that you not stop in these areas. The longer you are exposed to any hazard, the more you are at risk. In this case, the risk is avalanches. Having a vehicle prepared for winter conditions, including winter-rated snow tires, will improve your safety and is mandatory in many locations during the avalanche season. Enjoy your drive through the province, but remember to check with Drive BC for the latest road conditions, information, and avalanche closure updates.